Yeah, family. So I come to pick up some blood. I'm gonna pick up some jelly coconut in the market. And I Saturday morning, the market ram. The market ram in Kenya. Market ram. Market day today. Market day. Market day. The jelly man there. You ready for me? You ready? You not ready, my youth? Me can't believe. All right,
cut. Call this morning. Okay. Allow the 10 minutes.
All right, cool. I want you to actually cut them thin for me so it's easy to chop.
Okay.
And I want small bottle. I want like 100.
100.
Yeah. Also, where can I get one of those small knives? Put it. Love me style, and love me cologne from a mile. They right up here, that's it. You saw me there. You're good? Big up. Yeah. Yeah, family. What I go on in Kenya, I go on with things. So Francis, later me send you, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man, big up. Yeah, thanks. One love. God bless. Always. Yeah. You see that family? The man give me a thing them on consign when I not have to pay until me sell them off. Fabulous. You see that? You see how business is done in Kenya? A man will give you something on consignment and say, yo, pay me when you're done sell. So tell me now, how can you not make money? You know what I mean? You don't have to pay for nothing up front. Just get your customer go sell and then you pay after and keep the profit. It's crazy, guys. So jamtoursafrica.com, family, look out for it. If you're thinking about coming to Kenya to invest, to make money and to do business, we already have the secret sauce and the secret weapon and everything we need to execute. So it's just you still in the West and I play cute. When if you come to Africa, come make youth. You know what I mean? Gun salute. Hey family, so we just pull up a jam rock. The sun is coming out, as you can see. It's gonna be a good day today over there in Karen Waterfront. So we're getting the team together, family, because we're gonna crush some rats. We're gonna kill some rats today. We're gonna crush some cockroaches and rats with the authentic Jamaican food. You know what I mean? So we are getting ready to move out right now. So we just wait for the team. Out with the team. Yeah, family. So we just reached at the venue. We reach a good while now, but we are get set up, family. So we have jam rock over there, so, and then we have jam tours over here, so we have one pan there, so, and one over there, so. So as you guys know, we conquer the entire event right now. So let's go, family. Jam tours are the launch. This is the launch of Jam Tours Africa, family. Trust me, guys. You guys will get to see, you know what I mean, what Jam Tours has to offer in Kenya with the tour and safaris. You know what I mean? So let's go, family. Let's go. Look for my name. I don't know, family. Me make that name there now. Me make it. Me make it, family. Me make it. Anyways, as I said, guys, as Jamaicans, very competitive, and we there compete. You know what I mean? I compete and I do it. Yeah. So let's go, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So this was a very exciting event, and it was a milestone for Jam Tours. As you can see, family, we launched actually bigbadjamtoursafrica.com. You know what I mean, at the Caribbean Brunch. As you know, guys, Jam Tours, we just know about this from the last edition. The second edition, we just put in work Jam Tours just come in and put in work in at this, and you know, the next edition we're gonna be a partner in this. So as you can see, guys, people was there, people was having fun. And be surprised in family, the DJ actually live inside my estate family. Where I live, the DJ live. And I have to pull up on him and make him know what I go on. The world is so small. So as you can see, family, you know what I mean? When we realize him know what I go on and know, say, yo, this is a man I'm seeing at the estate. And we greet each other and we always pass each other. We never know it was DJ Storm. So we're looking forward to work with him. And, you know, give him some promotion and get him some gigs in these clubs, the Jamaican style way. Or we know to promote. Because, as I said, in a Kenya family, they don't know to promote. And when you come out to entertainment, they don't really understand how it goes. So we are going to bring it here. And the third edition family, you're going to see the Jamaica culture for real. And you're going to love it, family. I already said, you know, the Caribbean Brunch, them a proposal already. You know what I mean? We just finished write it up, family. So when you see the next third edition, as you can see, Jam Tours, we run go for the brochure them and the flyers and stuff. And actually to give him to shout out you know what I mean, Jamrock Restaurant and Jam Tours Africa, and you know what I mean, and him shout out Jamrock Restaurant and start play some welcome to Jamrock, the place mash up. So you know what I mean, he give him a vibes and a team same way, the place mash up when him start play the welcome to Jamrock Restaurant and big up Jam Tours and thing. So that's how we do it, family. That's how we do it. We not play, you know what I mean. So as I was telling you guys, we are Jamaicans, we love to compete. And as you can see, guys, I'm very proud of myself because another restaurant was there that I create the name. I remember family sitting down and the people them say, yo, we want a name for the thing, they want a name. I'm just look and say, yo, I'm look for them business and make a name and call it, you know what I mean. I didn't want to say the name on my channel, family. But I'm just telling you, that is me create that name there. I'm proud of it. We see them in the same spot. And as I said, guys, Jamaicans, we actually build and compete. Same with Beanie and Bunty. You know what I mean? Movado and Cartel. One of we are going to win. And if one no win, one are going to get, you know what I mean? One of them will actually, you know, lose. And, you know what I mean? As you know, Jamaicans, we don't lose. We always compete to win. So, you know what I mean? It's just funny to see. Like, you know what I mean? I actually came in the spot and the DJ, them know me, everybody know. It's like me take over the event, family. Everybody will come at Caribbean Brunch can know, say, yo, Jam Tours, we take it over. It was like a Jamaica event and we not even actually was a part of the event like that. So as you can see, guys, the Jamaica culture is large and abroad, and that's my Jam Tour shirt, you know what I mean? And marketing, turn up, family, turn up. So when you see a Jamaican, don't mess with the Jamaicans, you know what I mean? I was thinking about it, that these people are rats. They actually steal Jam Tours thing and I use it. I'm just make them go on, you know what I mean? And so the thing said, family. But we like to compete, and I was saying we don't create nothing in this life for a reason, because maybe if I never create that name and I feel so bad about it that they're using it, I wouldn't get in competitive mode. So I turn up competitive mode for them, family, and the thing get rough and hard. Maybe they didn't carry over them food and sell off a Jamrock. We have no food at Jamrock, the food sell off a Jamrock, family, because of the competitive move. They turn on the competitive move on a Jamaican, and that's what happened, family. So guys, like, share, comment, I'm out. One love, Ja bless, Jamaica, I'm out, family. Continue watching this vlog, like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Jam Tours is active and alive and well. I'm out, family. I'm out. Yeah, family. So towards the end, we have a little technical difficulty and we try to resolve the issue. But this is like 11, 12 o'clock, family. So I also did have a professional photographer and videographer there. So look out for the professional video of Caribbean Brunch, family. You're going to love it. You know what I mean? So let's go, family. Like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm out. One love.